Today, most people in the world live for money, but in reality, money should serve them. Look around. Most people wake up early, rush to work, trade the best hours of their life. For what? For money. But let me ask you something. Is money working for you? Or are you working for money? Today, we're going to uncover the truth. Today, we're going to expose the hidden reality behind money. Look at society. People are working just to survive. But are they really living? Some people spend their whole lives drowning in debt. Some chase wealth, sacrificing their happiness. Some live paycheck to paycheck, trapped in a never-ending cycle. Have you ever seen people like that? People who wait for their salary to hit their bank account just to survive? They make money, but in the end, where does it go? It slips through their fingers because they don't control their money. Money controls them. Money is just paper. Money is a tool, nothing more. But people treat it like a god. They put money at the center of their lives. But let me tell you something. Money will never make you truly happy. If money controls your life, if you are living just for money, then you are a slave. Real freedom begins when money starts working for you. Now, you have a choice. Will you control your money, or will money continue to control you? Controlling money means using it wisely. Money should work for you, not just spending it, but investing it, growing it. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. Wealth is about how you think. The rich think differently. They know where every dollar goes. They make money work for them instead of just working for money. And you can do the same. You can change your life. Wealth isn't just money. Wealth is having enough. Wealth is having time. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your most valuable asset isn't money, it's time. Money comes and goes, but lost time never returns. So think about where you're spending your money. Invest in yourself. Invest in your knowledge. Invest in your future. Because the best investment you can make is in your mind. If you don't learn how to think correctly, even if you make $1 million, you'll still be poor. Starting today, make a decision. Will you be a slave to money, or will money serve you? In life, you have two choices. 1, you work for money. 2, money works for you. Which path will you choose? The choice is yours. Don't be a slave to money. Control your money. Build real wealth. Make money chase you, not the other way around. Look at the world around you. People buy expensive cars, wear luxury brands, and live in big houses. But let me ask you, are they truly rich? Many of them are drowning in debt. They work hard just to pay off loans. They struggle to maintain the image of success. But real success is not about looking rich. Real success is about being free. What's the point of driving a luxury car if you're stressed about monthly payments? What's the point of living in a big house if you barely have time to enjoy it? Most people are stuck in a trap. They spend money they don't have, to buy things they don't need, to impress people they don't even like. That's not wealth. That's financial slavery. True wealth is freedom. Freedom to wake up without stress. Freedom to spend time with family. Freedom to do what you love. And that kind of wealth starts in your mind. Think about it. Why don't schools teach financial education? They teach you history. They teach you science. But they never teach you how money works. And there's a reason for that. If you don't understand money, you will always be a worker. You will always be stuck in the rat race. Working hard, paying taxes, and making others rich. The system wasn't built for you to win. It was built for you to work. That's why the wealthy play a different game. They don't just work for money. They make money work for them. But don't worry. It's not too late for you. You can learn how to escape the system. You can learn how to build wealth. You can take control of your financial future. But first, you have to change the way you think. The rich don't think like the poor. The poor say, "I can't afford this." The rich say, "How can I afford this?" The poor work hard for money. The rich make money work for them. The poor spend their money on liabilities. The rich invest in assets. The poor live paycheck to paycheck. The rich build multiple streams of income. So let me ask you, which mindset do you have? Are you spending money on things that make you poorer? Or are you investing in things that make you richer? If you want to escape the trap, you have to start thinking like the wealthy. The escape plan. Steps to financial freedom. Now that you know the truth, what should you do next? Let me give you a roadmap, a step-by-step plan to break free from financial slavery. Step 1. Track your money. You can't control what you don't measure. Most people don't even know where their money goes. Start tracking every dollar you earn and spend. Find out where you're losing money. Step 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that subscription? Do you really need that expensive coffee every morning? Small expenses add up over time. Cut what doesn't serve you and reinvest that money. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Most people are just one emergency away from being broke. Start by saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will give you security and peace of mind. Step 4. Invest wisely. Don't just work for money. Make money work for you. Invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, or yourself. Grow your wealth over time. Step 5. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is risky. What happens if you lose your job? Start a side hustle, build passive income, and create financial security. Step 6. Change your environment. You become who you surround yourself with. If you spend time with broke people, you'll stay broke. Surround yourself with people who think big. Learn from those who have already achieved financial freedom. Now you know the truth. You understand how money works. You understand the game that keeps people trapped. So what will you do with this knowledge? Most people will ignore it. Most people will continue working just to survive. Most people will stay in financial slavery. But you are not most people. You have the power to change your life. You have the power to break free. The only question is, will you take action, or will you stay stuck? The choice is yours. Don't just live for money. Make money live for you. Take control, build wealth, and create the life you truly deserve. Ask yourself, why do some people struggle financially their entire lives, while others build wealth effortlessly? It all comes down to knowledge. The wealthy don't work harder. They work smarter. They understand how money works. They know how to make it grow, how to protect it, and how to make it work for them. But here's the sad reality. Most people never learn this. Schools don't teach it. Parents don't teach it. And society certainly doesn't want you to know it. Because if everyone understood how to build wealth, who would be left to work 9 to 5 jobs forever? Who would take loans and pay interest their whole lives? Who would make the rich even richer? The truth is, The system is designed to keep you uninformed, because ignorance is the greatest form of control. But not anymore. Now you know the truth, and knowledge is the first step toward freedom. If you want to escape financial slavery, you must understand the wealth formula. It's simple, but powerful. Earn, save, invest, repeat. Most people only focus on the first step, earning. They think, if I just make more money, I'll be rich. But that's a lie. It doesn't matter how much you earn. It matters how much you keep and grow. The poor earn and spend. The middle class earn, save, and spend. The rich earn, save, and invest. That's the difference. Now let's talk about the real key to wealth. Investing. If you're not investing, you're working for money your entire life. But if you invest wisely, your money starts working for you. Think about it. You work 8 hours a day, but your investments work 24/7. While you sleep, while you travel, while you spend time with family, your money is growing. And that is how the rich get richer. They buy assets, not liabilities. They invest in businesses that generate passive income. They invest in real estate that pays them rent every month. They invest in stocks that grow in value over time. They invest in themselves to become more valuable. While others work for money, the rich make money work for them. So ask yourself, is your money working for you, or are you just working for money? Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but where do I start? Here's the simple truth. You don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to be rich. Start small, start where you are, but most importantly, start. Here's what you need to do today. 1. Get educated. Learn about money, investing, and wealth building. 2. Track your finances. Know where your money is going. 3. Cut unnecessary spending. Stop wasting money on things that don't serve you. 4. Save consistently. Build a habit of saving before spending. 5. Start investing. Even small investments compound over time. 6. Create multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one source. 7. Think long-term. Wealth is built over time, not overnight. If you follow these steps, you will slowly break free from financial slavery. But it all starts with a decision. Your final decision, the road to freedom. Right now, you are standing at a crossroad. 2 paths are in front of you. Path number 1, the hard way. You keep working for money. You keep living paycheck to paycheck. You stay trapped in the system. Or path number 2, the wealth way. You take control of your finances. You make money work for you. You build real freedom. Which path will you choose? Most people will stay in the trap. They'll hear this message and do nothing. They'll keep repeating the same cycle. But you have a choice. Will you be a slave to money? Or will money serve you? The decision is yours. But whatever you choose, remember this: time is your greatest asset. Don't waste it chasing money. Instead, build a life where money chases you. Take control, create freedom, and live life on your terms.